Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a spring wedding centerpiece and I'm using this 3D wreath form that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now you could go ahead and make a big floral ball like you see there on the picture. The instructions to put it together are on the back, but I'm going to do something a little bit different. There will be flowers involved, but it won't look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to spray paint it with this metallic gold Krylon paint. And for the butterflies that I will be adding, I'm going to use the metallic paint, and then I'm going to top it with this glitter gold paint. And this is on clearance in the Christmas section at Target. So here I am outside spray painting the wreath form once I put it together, and this was easy to cover and it dried really quickly. I did not use the glitter gold spray paint on the wreath form, just on the butterflies. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a bunch of different butterflies. There are these that come 2 in a pack. And I really appreciated that these stickers came in different shapes within the pack of stickers. And then I found these little ones. So I took these all out and spray painted them. And while they dried, here is our wreath form, and it looks much better in this beautiful metallic gold. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be able to stand up on the end on its own. When I put the little metallic pieces on it, I couldn't get it to stand up on its own. It could stand up on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and push the end down into a piece of foam that I picked up from the floral section from Dollar Tree. I would advise gluing it down. I did not glue it down, but I wish I would have glued it down. For this wedding centerpiece, I'm using faux white roses from the Dollar Tree. And I actually ran out of roses and I had to go back to Dollar Tree to pick up 2 more bunches to finish this. These are roses that I already had. And like I said, it wasn't enough, so I had to go and get more. If you are having a wedding or a dinner party, or if you're just using this for home decor, please go ahead and use the floral that you love. See how I have to keep pushing it down? I should have glued it down then, but I didn't. Lesson learned. Anyway, you guys, be sure to use the flowers that go with your decor or flowers that you love. This would look really pretty with a deep red rose as well, but I thought that the gold was already such a rich color that I wanted to have a bit of lightness to it, something airy about it, and so I decided to go with white roses. And I did choose roses because it is for a wedding centerpiece, but whatever the chosen flower is for the wedding could also be used for the centerpieces in this way. So I filled in the top, and now I want to push roses into the side so that it will look like it's sitting on a bed of roses. I want to cover the foam completely with the flowers. And then I also want to be sure that there aren't any gaps in the roses as well. So you can see there that I wasn't able to finish going all the way around. Like I said, I had to go get more roses. In the meantime, this is how the butterflies turned out. And I was really, really happy that they came out with the look that I was going for. Again, I spray painted these with the gold spray, and then I went back over them with the glittered spray. To attach them to the wreath form, I am just using hot glue. They are sticky on the back because the ones on the pages are stickers. The larger ones are not. And the bottom of the stickers have like this iridescent kind of glittery back to them, which doesn't really bother me. So if it does bother you, you can take that out and spray paint it as well. Now, if you can see in between the wings of the butterflies, you can still see a little bit of the original color of the sticker. And so what you can do is to take the form outside, make sure you cover the flowers, and give the butterflies another coat of the spray paint. This is what it looked like once I had finished adding all of the butterflies. And you just want to add butterflies in a way that it looks pleasing to you. Switch up the size of the butterfly, switch up the direction that it's flying, and make sure that you cover that very top where you can see where the little metal piece connects. Make sure you do that as well. And as you can see, the bottom is now all covered with flowers. And of course, I decided at the worst possible time that I wanted to add lights. These are twinkle lights with a timer that I picked up from Target. I had the hardest time putting the lights on because I waited until after I had already put the butterflies on. So this is how it turned out, guys. And I think it is so darling and so romantic. This is where the battery pack is. If I were doing this for a real wedding, I would hot glue the battery pack to the bottom of the foam and add more flowers all the way around so that you would not be able to see the battery pack. Drop a comment below and let me know how you think this turned out. I also added a couple of butterflies to the roses themselves. And if you want to add a candle to the center, of course you can do that as well. Here I used an LED candle because I didn't have any real candles that could fit into this, but you could use real candles as well. And you could add that to the centerpiece. This is our project for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are planning a wedding and this is something that inspires you or interests you, drop a comment below and let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe to my growing channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful week. I will see you in my next video, everyone. Take care. Bye.